Can you imagine listening to every single song and earning $12 per song? I bet your answer is no because that sounds insane. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be able to earn $12 and even more for every song that you listen to. I know it sounds amazing and you guys just want to get your hands on it. So if you guys want to know what I'm talking about, then make sure you check out. What's up everybody and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. So let's go onto Google first and search for Playlist Push. Then we're going to click on the first thing that we're going to see, and it's going to take us to playlistpush.com. Now, this platform connects artists to the playlist curators on this website, and we are going to be the playlist curators. Now, Playlist Push has over 970 curators from all over the world making money on this website. Big brands such as Fortune, HiPod, and Medium have already endorsed this website, so you have nothing to worry about really. There are even testimonies of a lot of people from literally all over the world already earning so much money using this website, which only goes to show that this website is 100% legit. Now, we're going to click on this link right here for creators, but after clicking for creators, we're going to be then taken to this page. Discover new music for your playlists, and if we scroll down some more, we're gonna find that we can get paid to review songs. Now this platform is gonna pay us to listen and to review songs, and if you enjoy music, you can even add it to your playlists, and that's how you can earn $12 for every single song that you listen to. If you listen to 10 songs, you're gonna earn $120. And later on in this video, I'm going to show you a bonus where I'm going to show you more websites that you can actually combine with Playlist Push, and you can double and even quadruple your earnings. The best thing about this website is that they pay you every single week. They will pay you every Friday through PayPal or bank deposit, as long as you have that. But there is a catch to this method. You're gonna need to have followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music to get started. We are gonna show you to get started. You're gonna have to click on the sign me up button, and we are gonna be taken to this page where we have 3 options to sign up as Spotify playlist owners, TikTok creators, or as artists and managers. But in this video, we are going to be signing up as Spotify playlist owners. So we're going to click on this, and then we're going to be taken to this page. And as you can see, to apply to become a playlist curator, all you have to do is enter in your name, your email address, and the next thing you're going to do is select your country. As you can see here, when I click on this tab, it's going to be accepting people from all over the world.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit the notification bell because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then.
You're going to see that they're basically accepting people from all over the world, so it doesn't matter where you are, you're going to be able to join the platform. Next, you're going to enter in your mobile number, then you're going to enter your biggest playlist on Spotify, and this playlist has to have at least 1,000 real followers, but don't worry about the followers because I've got you covered. I'm going to be sharing with you a strategy that's going to help you get thousands of followers, so you have to stick around and watch the video until the end. Also, remember that you have to connect your Spotify account to verify that you own the playlist to be able to have a playlist on Spotify. So, in order to do this, we are going to go on to Spotify.com, and then if you already have a Spotify account, you can just log into your account. But if you don't, you can sign up using your Facebook account or your Google, or you can just use your email, password, username, date of birth, and gender. Now, don't forget to tick the boxes that they ask.
and then select that I'm not a robot CAPTCHA, then hit the screen sign up button as a bonus tip. The first website that will help grow your playlist following is called Topsify.com. Now, before we proceed, you obviously have to remember, Topsify is different from Spotify in case you get confused. Okay, we're gonna open up Topsify, and that is what we need. So, Topsify is the biggest site for sharing and discovering playlists. All genres on the web. On this website, you're going to be able to share, post, and upload your playlist. There's so much cool music here, as well as playlists on the website. And every single day, people from all around the world visit this website to listen to music. And with this website, you're going to be able to gain a lot of followers. You can be a curator in no time. But first, you're going to have to submit a playlist. And to do that, you're going to click on the top right corner, and then you're going to select the Spotify icon, which we will then be directed to Spotify, where you can simply log in if you already have an account, or sign up if you have not yet, and then created one. Next, just create a playlist to add to Topsify, and it's not going to appear right alongside these public playlists that you've already submitted. Now, you're going to get started and submit your playlist from Spotify and gain followers. And then I'm going to show you the secret ninja trick that you can use to gain even more followers for your playlist. The secret tip that I was talking about is actually called Soundplate.com, and on this website you're going to be able to remote your Spotify playlist. All you have to do is click on this button right here at the top, and then you're going to be taken to this page. And the main purpose for this website is for you to grow your Spotify or your Deezer playlist with their free submission system. This is pretty much like Topsify, so when you combine these websites, you're going to be able to gain followers fast, and once you achieve that, you're going to be then qualified to be a curator on this website and start earning dollars and even more just by listening to the music video. Now, since you've watched until the very end, I'm going to give you another bonus website that you can join for free, and you can earn up to $600 every single year, and it's called Current.us. Now, this is a free mobile app that pays you to listen to music, no catch, no fees, only playing songs and earning rewards in exchange. So if you love to listen to music on your phone, then this is the perfect place to be in and to join at. The app offers more than 100,000 worldwide radio stations. All you have to do is tune in. There's almost no limit to what you can listen to, how many you can listen to. You can find popular artists like Ariana Grande, as well as some funny skits and albums from your favorite performers. No matter your listening tastes, Current has something for you, and you're going to be able to earn up to $600 in a year through Current. And there's a lot of different ways to collect rewards, and you're going to earn rewards for listening to music, trending lists, streaming unlimited music stations worldwide in real time, listening to music genre lists, playing music on your lock screen, offline music, streaming music, and a lot more. And when you're ready to withdraw your money, there's a lot of options as well. You can use cash via PayPal or gift cards for Amazon, Target, Starbucks, or Google Play, or redeem prizes like mini drones or Bluetooth speakers. But a great thing is that you can join in no matter what country you live in. There's a very low payout threshold, which we all know and love. You're just going to need $1 to be able to take all your earnings, and that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.